Hello and welcome to the Office of Student Accounts Spring 2023 Billing and Payment Tutorial. First, I would like to familiarize you with our website, which has most if not all the information you need to successfully arrange payment and begin the Spring 2023 term. Our website can be found at studentaccounts.appstate.edu. As you can see, the tabs going across the top, they each have a lot of information that can be very helpful to you. We strongly encourage you to look at these tabs and the details under them. When you click Orientation and Tutorials, there are several videos located on this tab that can assist you with a lot of the functions needed to complete payment for your bill. Please make sure that you view the ones located here, specifically the Introduction to Student Accounts, how to set up parent access. As a reminder, bills are only emailed and by default to the student's App State email address until a parent or authorized user is added inside the TouchNet portal. Please see this video for details on how to do so. The Billing and Payments video that shows you how to log in and pay. The Refunds video that shows you how to set up a direct deposit account for students. And the Payment Plan tutorial. I'm going to spend most of our time on this billing timeline that you can find under the Billing tab and then by scrolling down. You can see the infographic in black and gold. During this summary, I will frequently reference a student being subject to cancellation and a student being confirmed for the Spring 2023 term. Let me explain that. The state of North Carolina requires state institutions like App State to either collect payment for tuition and fees up front in advance of the term or to make arrangements to have it paid. Students that do not comply with this requirement are required to be subject to cancellation of their class schedule. I'm going to go through the timing, process, and options to make sure this does not happen to you. Our initial spring billing notification will be sent on November the 16th at the end of the day, as you can see on this graphic. Once this invoice is sent, completing any of the following things at any point before Monday, January 9th at 8 a.m., which is when classes are canceled, will prevent the student's schedule from being canceled. The ways to avoid that are pay your bill either online or in person in full, or enroll in a payment plan and make payments as agreed, or satisfy the billed amount with a combination of self-payment, financial aid, or other funding, such as military funding. Or lastly, the student, and it must be the student, completes the payment agreement located in the TouchNet portal. Once any of these things happen, the student will receive an email confirming their enrollment for the Spring 2023 term within 2 business days. Once confirmed, the student will not have their class schedule canceled unless their payment is rejected by their bank. We will send billing notifications on the following dates: November 16th, November 30th, and December 7th. At any point when the student completes one of these requirements, they will no longer be subject to cancellation, will get an email confirming them for the term within 2 business days, and they will stop receiving billing notifications until after classes have started for the spring semester. As previously mentioned, payment plans will open on the same date as the first bill, on November the 16th. When signing up, you'll be required to pay a 20% down payment of the net amount due on the account, plus a $40 non-refundable enrollment fee. We encourage you to do this sooner rather than later, because the sooner you sign up, the more months you can stretch your payments out to make the payment lower each month. The 5-pay option, which is our longest, will be available from November 16th until December the 15th. After that, there will be a 4-pay available on December the 16th. And then on January the 16th, there will be a 3-pay available. In each of these circumstances, after the down payment, payments are made on the 15th of each month. Final payments for all payment plans for Spring 2023 are due by April 15th. Students who fall behind in payments may be subject to late fees and registration holds. Please also note that payments sent in person or via the mail or any other mail service such as FedEx must arrive in the student accounts office no later than Friday, January the 6th at 3 p.m. Any that arrive after that, it cannot be guaranteed that the payment will protect you from cancellation. And then on Monday, January the 9th, at approximately 8 a.m., we will cancel classes for students who are still subject to cancellation. We realize that this is a big deal when students' classes get canceled. We do everything within our power to help inform students so they know how to avoid this happening. Please help us make sure that students do not get canceled by completing one of the items listed below. Please also note, our office will be closed on November 24th and 25th for the Thanksgiving holiday, and the entire university will be closed from December 23rd to January 2nd for the winter break. Our office will reopen on Tuesday, January the 3rd, and will be available for assistance. Please keep in mind, though, there is a very short window of time between when we reopen on January the 3rd and when classes are canceled on Monday, January 9th. We highly recommend that you perform one of the activities already referenced to avoid cancellation prior to the university closing on December 23rd. Thank you for viewing this tutorial video.